Hi guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to fix Roblox Account Manager not working. So let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is go to that folder where you installed Roblox Account Manager. Then simply select this folder, right-click it, and down to the properties of the file. Now inside the properties, we're going to do compatibility tab because here we're going to change some settings. We're going to change the compatibility mode to run this program in Windows 8. Now from there, we're going to the settings, and inside the settings, make sure to disable the full screen optimizations and run this program. As an administrator, simply press apply and press OK. Now from there, what we want to do, we want to open up the Roblox Account Manager. Yes, the Roblox Account Manager should open up. We are going to the top right here, Accounts Manager Settings. First, we are going to change the settings in the General tab, simply ahead, down to the almost last option, the Multi-Roblox. Check this box. Make sure that it has been checked, and from there, go to Developer mode. And here we are not going to change anything into the Miscellaneous mode. We are going to keep the Unlock space enabled, and we want to force an update, because if there's any update that we need, because our Roblox Account Manager isn't working, this will fix our issue. Simply press a yes, and it will force Roblox Account Manager to be updated. Created shortcuts, simply press yes if you don't have one, and from there, your Roblox Account Manager should be fixed.